So, hello UPSC Walas, a happy evening to all. So, this video is all about the prehistory part, that is the period which we don't have any written evidence. So, the knowledge about those period can obtain only by archaeological sources, that is the archaeological sites, geological sediments, animal bones and fossils, etc. And also by floral and faunal sources, and also by the human gene, and the last is language. So, the people who lived in the prehistory period was the Homo erectus. Actually, they first evolved in Africa and migrate out of Africa after some time. And first we will discuss about the Paleolithic period. So that is nothing but the Stone Age. It is the earliest age in the history, and this Stone Age was succeeded by the Bronze Age and the Iron Age. And this Paleolithic period was further classified into lower, middle and upper Paleolithic period. So first we will discuss about the lower Paleolithic period. And the lower Paleolithic period, the timeline is between 2 million years ago to 60,000 years ago. As I have already mentioned, the people who lived in the Paleolithic period was the Homo erectus, and they have the same physical features like us. And the only difference is they have a small brain case, and also they will walk upright. And I'll show you the picture. So this is the picture of the Homo erectus. And the next is, since we don't have any written evidence, we have to find we have to get the information about the prehistory period only by the archaeological site, and like that only, no. So people like search for the archaeological sites and floral and faunal sources. So by that they have first find the first Paleolithic site, which was found by the Robert Bruce Foote, which is in the Pallavaram. Actually, it is near Chennai, and the Robert Bruce Foote was the father of ancient history, and he found the Pallavaram place in 1863. And by the archaeological sources, they came to know that the lower Paleolithic people used large stone tools, webbles, hand axes, clevers, and choppers. So the people who have lived in the lower Paleolithic period was mainly hunter and gatherer. So they have eaten the flesh which was already fed by the predators. So they have used the choppers for removal of the unwanted hairs in the animals. And also the industries which was predominant in the lower Paleolithic period was Acheulean industries and also the Sogdian industries. In the Acheulean industries, the main product which was produced is the hand axe, and in the Sogdian industries, the main product which was produced is webbles. And the Acheulean industries, actually it is derived from the name Saint Acheulean, which is in the northern France, and it is an archaeological industry. So the hunter and those people were lived in the open air, river valleys, caves and rock shelters. So this is mainly because of they have to search for food and shelter. So they are very mobile and they don't have any permanent home. And the next is sites. The lower Paleolithic period, actually the site is everywhere in India except the Ganges Valley, southern Tamil Nadu, and hilly areas of Western Ghats. And Acheulean tools were found in the Attirampakkam, it is in Chennai, and Pallavaram, which is also in Chennai, and Gudiyam, Hangsi Valley and Nizampur in Karnataka, and Bhimbetka in Madhya Pradesh. And the hominian tools, actually we have to find the human and animal fossils, no? So the human fossils which was found by the experts was the hominin. So they were the ancestors of Homo sapiens, that is us. And this hominin fossil was rarely found in India, and the only one well-known fossil which was found in the place was Hathnora near Hosangabad, which is in Madhya Pradesh. And the next is Middle Paleolithic period. The timeline is between 3,85,000 and 40,000 BCE, that is before Christian era. And about 4 lakh years ago, there is a change in lithic technology. That is, in the lower Paleolithic period, they have used the large stones and large pebbles like that. But in the in the Middle Paleolithic period, they have used the small tools. When compared to lower Paleolithic period, they have used the smaller tools. And also the anatomically modern humans were evolved before 3,00,000 years ago. Okay. So the Middle Paleolithic site was found by the Hatri Sangalia and the Pravara river at Navasa, which is in Maharashtra. And the tools which was found were the hand axes, clevers, choppers, chopping tools, scrapers and borers. And the way of living, it is exactly the same as the lower Paleolithic culture, but the difference is they have used, the Middle Paleolithic culture people used the small tools when compared to lower Paleolithic culture people, and also they have used core technology for manufacturing of tools. That is, the way in which they produce the tools were more elaborate, their manufacturing practice were more elaborate. And the next is the sites, the Namada river, Godavari, Krishna, Yamuna and other river valleys, and they have used the raw materials. They have used the raw materials for the production of tools, and those materials were chert, jasper, chalcedony and quartz. And the next is Upper Paleolithic culture. The timeline is between 40,000 to 10,000 before present. And in this Upper Paleolithic culture, there is an improvement in stone technology, and the people who lived in the Upper Paleolithic culture has very cognitive ability. That is, they have produced the tools which is in the well standard form, and also the modern humans were evolved around 60,000 years ago, and they have this Upper Paleolithic culture people used even more small tools when compared to the Middle Paleolithic culture people. So that is what called as microliths, and they have found the bone tools and faunal remains in the Kurnool caves in Madhya Pradesh, and they have found the incised ostrich shells, and which is nothing but the shells, the ostrich shells were decorated with stone beads, and also they have found the stone beads in Jwalapuram in Andhra Pradesh, and they have found the evidence of microliths in Sri Lanka. And the next is Mesolithic period. I forgot to mention about something. In the Paleolithic period, they don't have any complex languages like us. They only use sign language, okay? And the next is Mesolithic period. The Mesolithic sites were Paisra, which is in Bihar, and Langnach, which is in Gujarat, and also Bagar 2, Chopani Mando, Sarai Nagar Rai, Mahadaga and Dama, which is in Uttar Pradesh, and Sangana Kallur, and Kipana Halli, which is in Karnataka. And they have found the rock shelter sites in Lekakia, Bahaikor, and Adamga and Bimbetka. So this Bimbetka place is very famous for rock shelter sites and also for the rock cave paintings. And they have found the coastal sites in Mumbai, Teri sites of Thoothukudi, and in Vizag. So this Mesolithic period timeline vary between different parts of India, different parts of the world. And in India, the Mesolithic period is was around 10,000 BCE, and in the Eastern Mediterranean, it is between 20,000 and 9,500 BCE. And in Kerala and Tamil Nadu, it continued up to 1000 BCE. And the next is their main occupation was hunting and gathering and also fishing. There is no evidence for agricultural practices. And also in the Bimbetka painting, they came to know that, the experts came to know that men and women went together for hunting, and these people used fire for food production, food preparation. And like the Paleolithic period, the Mesolithic period people also used, their houses were also highly mobile, and also they used rock shelters, caves and circular huts, and the circular huts which were made of perishable materials and this Mesolithic period people have the practice of burial. They have buried the dead, and I already mentioned the art part, which is the Bimbetka in Madhya Pradesh.
So that's all for today, guys. For more UPSC related content, do subscribe and give a thumbs up.